Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After making your desired adjustments to the camera raw image, you can apply the changes by updating the metadata of the camera raw file and then open it within the editor. Alternatively, you can discard updating the metadata of the camera raw file and simply open a copy of the camera raw image with the applied changes in the editor instead. In either case, you can then make changes to the image within the editor as normal. To update the metadata of the camera raw file and open it within the editor after making your changes, click the Open button in the lower right corner of the camera raw dialog box. If you click the drop down to the right of the button, you can then select the Open command from the menu that appears to perform the same task. Alternatively, to discard updating the metadata of the camera raw file and simply open a copy of the camera raw image with the applied changes in the editor instead, click the drop down to the right of the Open button in the lower right corner of the camera raw dialog box. Then select the Open as Copy command from the menu that appears. Alternatively, to accomplish the same task, you can hold down the Alt key on your keyboard or Option key for Macs, and then click the Open Copy button that replaces the Open button in the lower right corner of the Camera Raw dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.